National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, north-central Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashton, or 7 miles west of Rochelle, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Hillcrest, Ashton, and Shanna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's